Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's our fourth day.
Yeah, fourth day.
Here in Ubud.
In Ubud.
And we're at Tibumanan Falls.
Tibumana Waterfall.
Tibumana Waterfall. And we woke up a little later than planned, but I think it's better that we woke up at like 6 or something.
Yeah, that's right.
And we got here about 7. I can kind of see it now. Oh my gosh.
If you wanna join the ride, we'll be perfect on the screen. I never gave up on my California dreams. No.
Beautiful. Are you gonna go for a dip? Oh yeah.
Gotta think about it, gotta dream about it, gotta find a way to do the things that make you feel.
The falls now. I think we have 2 more falls to go to. And they're about maybe 30 minutes, 15 minutes away. So we just got here at the parking, actually, not at the falls yet. We're here at...
It's called Tukad Sepung. I think that's how you say it.
But yeah, we're gonna see how it looks. Kind of hungry, but
Yeah, a
we're
little
gonna
bit.
finish this first and then
Then we'll grab
go
some
later.
late brekkie.
We just finished with the falls. We were there for about maybe 15 minutes. There wasn't line at all, which was really good, so we got it all for ourselves. The falls is really nice. It's a bit dark in there, but it works out, and we're gonna have to climb up now. Did you get some good photos?
Yeah, I got some good photos of her.
So where are you heading now?
After the 2 waterfalls, I'm gonna grab some food.
Oh, that's a really good shape. Breakfast. Yum.
So good.
Gonna wear my helmet. But we're gonna go out to dinner. It's only 5:30, and I think we're gonna watch the fire dance, the cultural fire dance, just nearby our accommodation. So I'm gonna vlog that a bit for you guys. So tell me if this matches my fit.
One mega barbecue, no spicy, one season curry, spicy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can I take a
Yeah,
minute?
that's fine. So we just got some tickets for the show. We're gonna see it in about 20 minutes maybe. And I'll show you guys what it's gonna be.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.